Hey guys, Dana Bingham Cruz here with your G Suite tip number 11. Google Docs. When you first open up a brand new Google Doc, you will see the opportunity to give your Google Doc a name in the top left corner. Type in your title, hit enter or return on your keyboard, and you may see two other options appear. You can star or favorite this document, and you can also organize this document in your Google Drive without even having to leave the document. Below your title, you will see your menu bar, and below that, you will see your toolbar. If some things seem to be missing, try this caret or arrow on the far right side of the toolbar, and that may toggle some things from hidden to shown. Below your menu bar and your toolbar, you'll see the option to outline your document. Near the top far right-hand corner, you will see the option to view your viewing history. This is where you can see anybody who you have shared the document with, how many times and when they have viewed it. You will also see next to that your comment history and your share button. Down in the bottom right-hand corner, you will see your Explore tool, and you'll even see your side panel option here. You can also see your Explore tool in the Tools menu. Tip number 1. You and your students can use the comment feature to collaborate or peer edit. Simply highlight what you would like to comment on. Either select the Add a Comment pop-up circle or select the comment here. Type your comment, then click Post Comment. If you're having students collaborate on a document, consider inserting a table to keep things organized. That way you can number the boxes in the table or put names in the boxes in the table, and students know exactly where they need to type during their collaboration time. If students are adding information to their Google Doc, you can use the Explore tool to search for that information without even having to leave the Google Doc. Simply open the Explore tool, type what you are searching for, and get your results. Use voice typing for more efficient typing or for students who need this accommodation. In the Tool menu, select Voice Typing, then click to speak. Voice typing is awesome! And finally, if you are working with other staff members on a document and you would like to quickly email those collaborators, you can select File, Email Collaborators. Then it will bring up a pop-up window. You can select a subject for this email, compose your message, and decide who exactly you would like to send this message to. This option in the File menu will only show up if the document is shared with other people. If it's private only to you, you will not have this option. Some teachers like to have their students write blogs. At times, using blog hosts can get a little hairy, especially with younger students. So here is my blog post template that you could use with your students. It's very simple. You could teach them how to enter all of this information, model it, do one together, and then try to have them do one on their own. And this could be a running blog post where they simply put the most recent blog post at the top so you don't have to go digging through all of their posts to get to the most recent one. You could house this in Google Classroom if you'd like to keep it private just between you and the student, or if you would like the students to peer edit each other's blogs, you could host it on a Google site for the whole classroom to view. That's all I have for G Suite tip number 11 on Google Docs. You can visit our G Suite tips and tricks site at that bit.ly link there. For more tech tips, you can follow me on social media at edtechbing or visit my website. Thanks for watching.